one of the key features that probably sold you on purchasing your Glowforge is that you're able to copy and trace any drawing or writing all within the Glowforge system. Today we're diving straight into the Glowforge to learn how to use the tracing feature in Glowforge. My name is Audrey. I've been using my Glowforge system for about 4 years now. I've been loving it every step of the way. And now I'm here to share all my tips and tricks with you so that you can have an easier time using it and have so much fun while creating your own masterpieces. Today we're diving straight into the Glowforge to learn about the tracing feature, and I'm going to show you how to create your own little engraved item such as this. This was actually drawn by my 4-year-old on a big giant paper, and I used the Glowforge to trace it, and then I engraved it on this little tiny rectangle so that we could have it in a little ornament for our holiday season. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and hop into the Glowforge and I'll walk you through the process on how to get started. Step 1, place your drawing into the Glowforge bed and turn on your system. So when you're in the Glowforge, on the top left corner, you're going to see that create design feature and we're going to click on trace. When you do this, the laser bed is going to take a photo of what it's seeing in the bed and you'll begin to start doing the process of tracing the desired area of that photo. A second option is to actually just click on the create a design feature so that you could start off with the blank laser bed. And if you decide to go this route, once you're in the system, go ahead and click on that plus sign and you'll be able to click on trace when you have your photo in the laser. So here I have my photo that my daughter drew. We have a lot of drawings all around it also, and I'll show you that kind of creates a little bit of an issue, but it's okay. You know, this is a photo from a 4-year-old, so it's not going to be perfect. If you do want to know how to trace something and make it super clear and crisp, I'll create a tutorial and link it right here. So back to this photo, I'm going to use that plus sign and we are going to allow the Glowforge to take a photo of this image. Once we have that image, the step 1 is to actually drag a square around the image that you want engraved. So here we have it. I have a square around my photo. On the right corner, I'm actually going to click on that checkbox to say that I'm ready for step 2. Step 2 is actually optional and it's actually going to show you what the image captured. So hopefully if you have a clear image, it's going to snap that image exactly how it looks. So here you could actually click on all of the white areas so that it cuts it out. So essentially you'll be able to do an outline of it via trace. So this will actually allow you to score the image. This is probably not ideal for a lot of people. And I'll show you that if you do miss a spot, it's not going to be great. So I actually did this option too just to see what it looks like, but at the end of the day I opted out from it and we're just going to go with option 1 and continue with the trace. So once you're done and you're done clicking all of your areas or opting out of that, we're going to click on that top right corner that says place artwork for check and click on that check mark so that we could now go back onto our laser bed. So here you could actually see that I have my 2 settings here. They have the tracing and the engrave or the score. I'm actually going to remove this one because it's not my favorite. So if you also have the Glowforge Premium, you'll be able to create little boxes or outlines wherever you need it. But I unfortunately don't have that, and but that's okay. I am going to go ahead and upload my own rectangle box here so that I could have a cutout for my actual photo. So you could go ahead and play around with the sizing to see what you want it to be or how big or small you want it. I'm actually having it pretty small because it's going into this keepsake ornament. I have yarn in here with the height of my daughters, some memories that we had from 2023, as well as this little portrait that my daughter drew of us. Once you're done with everything, you'll have your perfect image that you traced straight from the Glowforge. Alright, well there you have it. I hope that tutorial was super easy for you and very helpful. If you like these types of videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video so that you'll be able to see more in the future. Until next time, make sure you shine bright and I'll see you on the next one.